Fifth position, feet. Préparation. Cross. 2 and 3 battement tendu front. 2 and 3 battement tendu to the side. 2 and 3 battement tendu back. And 2 and 3 battement tendu to the side. Next, 2 battement tendu front, coup de pied front, open, demi-rond. 2 battement tendu back, coup de pied back, open, demi-rond. 2 double battement tendu to the side. Demi-plie, pirouette, and dehors. Combination underdone. 2 and 3, back. 2 and 3 battement tendu to the side. 2 and 3 battement tendu front. And 2 and 3 battement tendu to the side. 2 battement tendu back, coup de pied back, open, demi-rond. 2 battement tendu front, coup de pied open, demi-rond to the side. 2 double battement tendu to the side. Demi-plie, pirouette, and done. Check your balance, 5th position, allongé, and finish pose. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more ballet videos.